Welcome to NexTechie X-Force. The Brief. Mapping the weekly pulse of global military innovation. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the global restructuring of defense supply chains and autonomous warfare. The global defense industry is undergoing a massive, rapid realignment to purge adversarial dependencies and fully integrate mass-produced autonomous drones into modern warfare. First, the U.S. supply chain purge. On July 20, 2026, an executive order mandated cutting Chinese-origin materials, setting a strict January 1, 2027 compliance deadline. They immediately followed up with a $962 million contract replacing small drone components. It's kind of like a sudden, forced detox diet for the military-industrial base. You gotta wonder, how painful will this short-term withdrawal be for contractors? Well, while the U.S. purges internally, our European allies are taking a radically different, collaborative approach. Second, the EU-Ukraine Drone Alliance. Launched July 24, 2026, this shifts European help from humanitarian aid to joint arms production. Through Build with Ukraine, Ukrainian-designed drones and missiles will be manufactured safely inside European borders. This protects production from Russian strikes while giving the EU combat-tested tech. Is this the ultimate franchise model for warfare, where Ukraine provides the IP and Europe acts as the secure factory? Securing these massive, resilient production lines naturally leads to our next challenge, controlling these massive new drone fleets on the battlefield. Finally, NATO's Task Force X. In mid-July 2026, out in the Mediterranean, NATO successfully networked over 100 uncrewed systems and 180 sensors across land, sea, air, cyber, and space. Crucially, a single human crew in an Italian NH-90 helicopter commanded this massive swarm. It's just like a conductor leading an orchestra of 100 robots. So what does this actually mean for the future of pilot risk? To wrap up, defense strategies have officially shifted from theoretical planning to building closed-loop, autonomous war machines. The breakneck pace of this technological decoupling is absolutely staggering.
This was NexTechie X-Force, The Brief. Just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.